To fix Snapchat notifications not working, start by checking your notification settings within the app. Open Snapchat and navigate to the settings menu by tapping the gear icon. Scroll down to the notifications section and ensure that notifications are enabled for the types of snaps you want to receive alerts for, such as messages or stories from friends. Next, check your phone's system settings to verify that Snapchat has permission to send notifications. For Android devices, go to the settings menu, select apps, find Snapchat, and make sure the notifications toggle is turned on. For iOS devices, go to the settings menu, select notifications, find Snapchat, and ensure that allow notifications is enabled. Another common issue that can cause Snapchat notifications to malfunction is a faulty internet connection. Ensure your device is connected to a stable internet network, either Wi-Fi or mobile data, as Snapchat requires a constant connection to function properly. Additionally, check for any pending updates for the Snapchat app, as outdated versions can lead to notification issues. Open the App Store on your device, search for Snapchat, and if an update is available, install it. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try restarting your device, as this can often resolve software glitches that may be affecting Snapchat notifications. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the Snapchat app, as this can reset the app's settings to their default state. It is also essential to note that Snapchat notifications may not work if your devices do not disturb mode is enabled or if the app is not allowed to run in the background. Check your device's settings to ensure that Snapchat is exempt from Do Not Disturb mode and is allowed to run in the background. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of Snapchat notifications not working and receive timely alerts for snaps and messages from your friends.